The speed measuring sensor groove coupler module is specifically designed for precise, real-time speed measurement applications. It utilizes optical coupling elements to detect and measure the speed of rotating objects, making it essential for robotics, automation systems, and DIY projects involving motion control. The module features an optical groove coupler which consists of an infrared LED and an IR photodiode. A rotating object, usually featuring slots or holes, passes through the groove of the coupler. The LED emits infrared light, which is either blocked or allowed to pass through the rotating object. The photodiode captures the changing light intensity, creating a pulse waveform. This pulse waveform is then processed by a connected microcontroller to calculate speed. The speed measuring sensor groove coupler module is a device used to measure the rotational speed of objects like motors and wheels. It detects interruptions in a groove or slot on the rotating object, generating pulses proportional to speed. This module is valuable for speed monitoring and control in various applications.